All right, now. Shoot that one again. Shoot the one again. Swimming away.
Here, watch out, bud. Watch out. Oh, he just went under. Hold on.
There he is.
Yep, those are geese for sure. Hang on. Don't move, Austin. Ready, you ready? Not yet, Austin. Hold on.
Hang on. Go ahead. I've got 3 boxes of 20 game shells as of now. 2 boxes of 12.
Oh yeah, I thought you did 20.
Well, just when you're... Yeah, he has 3 left. Yep.
Go on. All right, right there.
Hold on. Get ready. Just let him.
Only 2 guys. You only need 2.
Yep. Let him come way in. Let him come way in. Let him come in. Let him come in.